look in the mirror and know that I'm chosen.
Like use up oil. You didn't buy scallions?
The reasons you said?
Yeah, I mean, you cut it up small. You use a pot to scoop because you're using the brown one.
I cut them like this?
Yeah, like that is good. Cut up the time too. But as I said, all the scoop. 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes to marinate. Cue down, you put the other half with one more stick. That's perfect.
That's what it needs to look like.
That's perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna cover this.
It's probably gonna take about an hour and a half to cook. You know that, right?
Oh.
Alright, bye.
Love you too. You want to make sure you are flipping these over. You're not cooking it through, but you know. Medium. Put 5 cups in there.
Let me see how it looks.
I had also made some plantain. Real good.
He did fucking Kobe. Like seriously.
That's fucked up.
And it gets even deeper. I'm saying, like, I've done a lot of research on this. The reason why he was fucking Kobe is because of the whole scandal. Remember what happened with him and Shaq? And you know, Kobe, pretty much, him and Shaq had a 3-peat. You know what I'm saying? There's only been 3 3-peats in NBA history. Michael Jordan has 2 of them. Shaq and Kobe has 1 of them. They won 3 championships in a row.
This is how it's supposed to look.
How does it feel being
Look
back in the
at
villa?
that, guys. My first time making oxtail as a Jamaican. Yes, thanks to me mother. Looks good. Look at that.
Yeah, that look really nice.